I have announced the winner already, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing on, what he got. Full face mask. Airsoft electric mid cap, 120 rounds. Another mid cap, 120 rounds by KWA. We got a 40mm grenade for a grenade launcher. A wrist GoPro mount. A speed loader. A standard electric battery charger. A gas blowback inner barrel stock standard. A 3D printed dual M4 mag clamp. 3D printed. The GoPro Pictani mount, 3D printed as well. I believe it's a P226 gas blowback magazine. A propane adapter. A sling mount. And then magazines for the new UTG Tri-Shot shotgun. I took the stock off, so it is a CQB version. So yeah, it comes with 4 shells, 30 rounds each, 120 rounds, and everything. So we have another giveaway. Surprising, right? Since Lord Darkmare never emailed me, I will be giving this away, but not 1, 2 this time. Once we reach 200 subscribers, 2 different people will win these sites. So all you have to do is just be subscribed. Come check out our live stream on Sundays. I'm thinking about switching it over to Twitch or Periscope, depending on how the quality goes, because I know last time the quality was terrible. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, what I'm going to be doing, or where I'm going to be having this next live stream on May 8th, Sunday. Every Sunday at 6 o'clock, come out, support. It's like 30 minutes, might go over, who knows, depends how many people. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.